Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get help with a safety issue in the Airbnb application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below, and in the bottom of your screen you will see the profile option. Press on it. After doing so, you should scroll down, which I already did, and under the support category you will see the second option, which is get help with a safety issue. Press on it, wait a little until it loads in, and you can see that there are some automatic messages that will appear to you. You can dial emergency services here, or just select the reason, basically why you want help, basically what you want help with. For example, privacy concerns. You write in and you can basically you instantly get an answer, and you can also see that you can select a contact method here. And after pressing on that, you can either call basically the customer service or send them a message. Now this is mostly all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.